I'm back from the dentist. My mouth is very numb. I look a little bit like I had a stroke. Oh God. Oh God. I'm being attacked. Hello, you guys. It is currently Monday afternoon. I spent the whole morning working and I thought I would bring you guys along for the rest of my day. You guys really enjoyed my last Monday video, my Monday routine. That's by far my most popular video. And so for this week's Wednesday video, I just thought I'd do another little vlog of my Monday, like a follow me around, let's just hang out kind of vlog. On the agenda for the rest of the day, I have 2 appointments to go to, so that kind of sucks. The first appointment, please tell me if this has ever happened to any of you, because I've never heard of this before. I have to go to the dentist because I recently got some cavities filled, which were the first cavities of my life, and it's turned out to be a terrible experience. I have to go back because after getting my cavities filled, where they put the fillings have been so painful. Like, they're fillings in between my teeth, and if I like go to floss or even eat, it's like shooting pain. Like, it feels like I'm flossing with like metal or something horrible. And so I went back to the dentist to have them look at it, and they think that somehow the fillings shrunk, like something to do with the light that they used to cure them. It was either too long or too short. I honestly can't remember. That they shrunk and my cavities are actually exposed, which is why I have the pain. So I have to go back today to get my fillings that I just got put in taken out and replaced. Please tell me if this has ever happened to you or if you've ever heard of this happening. I am not very happy about it because I hate the dentist. I hate being numb. The dentist is just not a place I like to be. And so the fact that I have to go do this and have it redone is really not making me very happy. And then the worst part about it, well, not the worst part, but one of the parts that sucks about it is I then have a doctor's appointment later in the afternoon that had been scheduled way before this, but the dentist, this is the only time they can fit me in for weeks, and I can't eat on one side of my mouth, so I had to take this appointment. So I get to go to my next doctor's appointment with my mouth numb. And when my mouth's numb, I look ridiculous. I'll show you guys when I come back from the dentist. So that's gonna be really embarrassing. Anyway, so since it's Monday, if you watched my last Monday video, you know that Monday is typically chore day, which is why I also made my appointments for Monday. It's just kind of like the day of the week that I get crap done. So I thought I would just bring you guys along. I am going to do some cleaning today. I have some presents to wrap. And yeah, I started wrapping presents. You can see some under my tree. Let me show you my presents that I've wrapped so far. They're pretty cute. I just have a couple. These are the tags that I made. So for this year, for my Etsy shop, here's one of them that I printed out and I'm using, which is pretty cute. And here's another one that I am using this year, but yep. Oh, I forgot that I also have Etsy orders to do today, so I'll bring you guys along for that too. I have 4 open orders that I need to work on today, so yeah. Let me know if you guys like these kind of just like hangout, talking, real life vlogs. I love watching vlogs like this where people are just like chatting away like we're friends. I think they're fun. And it shows what our like life is like, and I'm so nosy, so I love to watch people's life and find out what they're like. Zoe, what are you doing? Let's show Zozo. Zoe, what are you doing? Hi, Zozo. Oh, there's the princess. There's the Zoe. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? Isn't she just the cutest dog? Look at her. Zozo. Tell me what you guys think she is. We don't know what she is. We know she's a dachshund, but she's much bigger than a dachshund, and she's a lot taller and very muscular, so we think she might be mixed with Pit, but I don't know. We really don't know. She's definitely a unique looking little pup, so you tell me what you think she is. 4 presents I just wrapped. 2 for Taylor, 2 for Ben. I really like this one, the 2 ribbons. And then how cute is this one? I put sequins on it and then made that little baby bow out of ribbon. Like, how cute is that? That's so cute. I love wrapping presents. I'm kind of crazy. I really like them. It's fun. Well, I'm back from the dentist and my mouth is very numb. I look a little bit like I had a stroke. Yeah, so they numbed like way out here, even just on the top, but it's numb all around here in my mouth and up my nose. So I have like 2 hours until my next appointment, so hopefully, oh my god, this is just so bad. Hopefully by then it's better, but the dentist went well. It was pretty quick. I was only there like 45 minutes. He says he put extra sealing stuff on them this time, so hopefully this shouldn't happen again. Hopefully it doesn't. I really like my dentist and the dentist office. Like, it's no fault of them. I guess it kind of, the dentist messed up. It happens. Stuff happens. So as long as it's good this time and I don't have to do anything again, then I'll be happy. So, oh, it's not that bad. Oh, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. That's weird. Like, it looks like I had a stroke right here. Yeah, like my lip is like, this lip. I can't even feel that. That is so weird. Okay, well, I am going to respond to a couple emails, get some work done, and then work on Etsy. I have a banner to make, 2 tag orders, and a stationery order. So I'm gonna get going on that stuff. All of my orders are done and ready to be packaged. Tags, stationery, and a banner. Meant to be. Thought I'd come vlog by Zoe real quick, because she's so cute. She likes lipstick. Okay, okay. I am about to leave for my appointment, and as you can see, my mouth is still numb, so this is gonna be really fun. This part does not work. So, what are you doing? So, oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. So, I just put that lipstick on. That's not for puppies. That's not for puppies, Zozo. Look at her, just climb on me like a mountain goat. Hey guys, so I never finished the vlog yesterday because my doctor was running an hour late, and so my appointment went on forever. And by the time I got home, I had more work to do and just didn't get to finish. So I'm continuing the vlog today. I didn't get as much housework and stuff done yesterday that I wanted to do, so I'm gonna try to fit in some more today in between work. So as you can see, my face is fully back to normal now, and my teeth don't hurt at all. So they're fixed, there's no more pain, it was worth it. I flossed them this morning and there was no pain at all. I was like so scared to floss them because it hurt so bad before. But it's all better now, so that is good. keep 100 blankets on their couch because I try to fold mine up nicely, but we always use them, so I just keep them on the couch. But whatever. Anyways, everything is all nice and dusted, and Zoe likes the blankets. And picked up out here. My wrapping stuff is like the only clutter, and that just has to stay out here because there's nowhere else to put it, and I'm not going to put it away and bring it out 12 times this year. So everything is looking all nice, including that puppy. Puppy. Ben and I are making homemade pizza for dinner. Here's Ben's dough from Trader Joe's, just the kind you can, you know, buy at Trader Joe's. And then mine, because I can't have that, I am trying this gluten-free pizza crust for the first time. It's frozen, so we'll see how it is.
That was an option.
I'm doing pesto artichoke.
I didn't know that was an option.
I asked you what sauce you wanted. You said the pizza sauce.
What other option is there besides
Pesto! Pesto!
No. You're such a dick for it, babe.
What's that? What's a dick for?
You really didn't know?
Did you wait for me to say what's a dick for?
Uh-huh.
That was funny.
I can't wait for Up Dude.
I got that one.
Damn it. And we have a $17,000 rolling pin made of pure marble from the Michelangelo. What? How do you make a round pizza with a rolling pin?
You don't. You're gonna have to make it rectangular.
I don't want rectangular. This ain't Little Caesars. Pizza.
Are theirs rectangular?
Yeah, there's a rectangular.
Look at your dough and my
This
dough.
is terrible. I cannot fit a round pizza on this rectangle pan.
I told you you have to make it rectangular. You have to make it rectangular. You cannot make it round. You have to make it rectangular. How many times do I have to say?
Is this lightly oiled?
No!
Then why would you tell me to put it on the thing?
I thought you would know, like, to oil it first.
Oh my god.
You're terrible. You suck at life.
Yours looks terrible.
No, it doesn't.
If you're a professional, you use this. What? You do!
Okay.
Hey, where's the cheese?
Oh my god, I forgot to put cheese on mine!
You said you were gonna say you forgot to buy it.
Are you gonna put garlic on yours? Hilarious.
We're gonna be doing a contest. Winner gets to cut my hair. Yo, check it.
Dan's got some fluffy hair going on. Here are the finished pizzas. Mine looks real good. There's Benner's. His crust looks better, but mine looks pretty good. We'll see how it tastes. So we're gonna eat our pizza and close the vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm really close to 300 subscribers, so if you have not subscribed, then I would really appreciate it if you did. And
I'll subscribe.
You better already be subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!